Welcome to today's presentation on queuing theory by Team 3, Pamela Gibson, Monica Pierce, Brett Sanders, and Sharon Smith. Let's start by discussing what a queue is. A queue is a waiting line whereby someone or something is there to be serviced or processed. A queue follows 6 basic steps. 1. Place a person or object into the queue. 2. Request a person or object from the queue. 3. Service or process a person or object from the queue. 4. Release control of a person or object in the queue. 5. Delete a person or object from the queue. And 6. Repeat the cycle again and again until the queue is emptied or completed. Now let's discuss queuing theory history. The theory dates back to primitive man, even as early as biblical times. Johansen published the first scholarly paper entitled Waiting Times and Number of Calls in 1907. Though neither mathematically exact nor historically important, it laid the foundation for queuing theory. In 1909, A.K. Ealing further developed the theory in his work known as the Theory of Probabilities and Telephone Conversations. So what is the role of queuing theory in our world today? Queuing theory is a mathematical study of waiting in lines. The study includes arriving at the end of the queue, waiting in the queue, and serving those at the front of the queue. With the same theory, researchers can analyze the amount of time it takes to serve customers at retail establishments or the time it takes to manufacture products on an assembly line. The goal of the study is to determine ways to reduce wait times and improve customer service. What queuing techniques can be used to service customers? Systems that are put in place by companies to service customers in an orderly manner are deemed queuing techniques. In order to adequately control the flow of customers while providing quality customer service, businesses may adopt one or more queuing techniques. Let's explore their options. 1. Waiting lobbies where customers sign in and sit down to wait their turn. 2. Reservations where customers request in advance to schedule appointments. 3. Online queues where customers are assisted using virtual software that places them in line. And 4. Telephone queues where customers call and wait to be directed to the next available server. Queuing theory is important to businesses because statistical data from their database can be substituted in mathematical formulas to help retailers analytically answer questions about wait times. How long do customers wait in line for a service? How many customers can be expected to arrive for a service? How should resources be managed to handle arrivals efficiently? How can queuing systems be used to best service customers? How effective are queuing techniques in minimizing wait times? The answers to these types of questions can lead to more efficient operations for businesses and less agony waiting in lines for customers. In conclusion, queuing theory has many practical applications ranging from manufacturing, air traffic control, military logistics, design of theme parks, and many other areas where demands are at random. Though the study of waiting in lines may seem simple in appearance, the mathematical computations involve the complexity of business statistics. So the next time you are waiting in a line, any kind of line, remember mathematical formulas are working to get you to the front of the queue. Thanks again for visiting our presentation. We hope you found it informative.